Model, 2021 Ford Transit 2.0TDCI 130PS 290 L2H2 Trend front-wheel drive, spares OR repairs timing belt snap simple and easy repair open mouth smile. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 103,118. MOT, 4 March 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very simple and easy repair on these open-mouth smile. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, 2 keys, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear.